A GameMaker project file contains your complete game development workspace, sprites, scripts, rooms, and objects, all organized within GameMaker Studio's creation platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or compile these game development projects. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening GMF files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. GMF files are project files for GameMaker Studio, a popular 2D game development platform by YoYo Games. They contain game resources including sprites, objects, rooms, scripts, sounds, and game logic definitions for creating cross-platform 2D games. GameMaker GMF files use a structured format storing resource references, GML GameMaker Language scripts, sprite definitions, room layouts, object event handlers, and project configuration settings. They organize all game assets and code for the GameMaker IDE. The default recognized opener for GMF files is known to be GameMaker from YoYo Games. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows offers no meaningful representation, so interpreting these files relies on game development tools. To open this specific GMF file, right-click your file and select Open With. If GameMaker is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the GMF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, opening the project. Install GameMaker Studio from yoyogames.com and open the GMF file via File, then Open Project. GameMaker loads the complete project with all resources, code, and configurations in the IDE ready for editing, testing, and compilation. Next, compiling and testing. Press F5 in GameMaker Studio to compile and run your game in debug mode. The IDE compiles GML scripts, packages resources, and launches the game on your target platform. Use the debugger to step through code and inspect variables during runtime. Finally, exporting to platforms. Navigate to Build, then Create executable in GameMaker to compile your game for target platforms, including Windows, macOS, HTML5, Android, and iOS. Configure platform-specific settings in Game Options before building the final distributable game package. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.